Now we discuss the problem. A committee of 5 is formed out of 6 gents and 4 ladies. In how many ways those can be done when at least 2 ladies are included and at most 2 ladies are included? That is the two questions. First one is at least 2 ladies are included. A committee of persons consists of at least 2 ladies. So either we can select as 2 ladies out of 4 and 3 gents out of 6. 2 ladies out of 4 and 3 gents out of 5. Or you can choose 3 ladies out of 4, because at least 2 ladies are included in the committee. It may be 2, 3 or 4. Here 4 ladies. Okay. So 3 ladies out of 4 and 2 gents sorry, here also 6 gents. The committee of 5 is formed by 6 gents and 4 ladies. So 2 gents out of 6. Or you can choose 4 ladies out of 4 and 1 gent in out of 6. Okay, 1 gent out of 6. Since the committee is formed in each case, so by the fundamental principle, if we choose like this, we have 4C2 into 6C3 ways. Or you can choose in this form, we have 4C3 into 6C2 ways. Here 4C4 into 6C1 way. Okay. So the total number of ways of forming the committee. So the total number of ways of forming the committee is 4C2 into 6C3 plus 4C3 into 6C2 plus 4C4 into 6C1. After calculation we get that is equal to 186. Okay. And the second part of the first question is at most 2 ladies are included. At most 2 ladies are included. That is maximum 2 ladies are included. Okay. So first case, maximum 2 ladies are included. That means in the committee there may be 2 ladies, or in the committee there may be 1 lady. Without lady we can form the committee. So first we choose, first selection is 5 gents only. Okay, 5 gents only. The committee formed by 5 gents only. Or we can select 4 gents and 1 lady. Okay. Or we can choose 4 gents and 2 ladies. That is the possible way of selections. So 5 gents can be selected from the 6 gents in 6C5 ways, or we can choose 4 gents from 6, and if we use and, we use multiplication or we use addition. Okay, 6C4 into 4C1, or in this way, that is 6C4 into 4C2. Okay, that is 6C5 is 6 by 1. 6C5 is same as 6C1, that is 6, plus 6C4, that is 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. into 4C1 is 4 plus 6C4 is 6 into 6C4 is same as 6C2. We know that NCR is same as NC n minus R. So 6C4 is same as 6C2. What is 6C2? 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. So 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. Into 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. After calculation we get the answer as 186. Okay, here also 186. Next problem. A box contains 5 red and 6 white balls. In how many ways can 6 balls be selected so that there are at least 2 balls of each color? Okay, a box containing 5 red and 6 white balls. In how many ways can 6 balls are selected so that there are at least 2 balls of each color? That is at least 2 balls. So 2 balls are at least 2 balls of each color. Okay, at least 2 balls of each color. So the selection of 6 balls consisting of at least 2 balls each color from 5 red and 6 balls can be made in first by selecting 2 red balls, 2 red from 5 red. Okay, 2 red balls can be selected from 5 red balls and 4 white balls from 6 white balls. Okay, or you can choose 3 red balls from 5 red balls, 3 red balls from 5 red balls and 3 white balls from 6 white balls. Okay. Or you can choose 4 red balls from 5 red balls and 2 white balls from 6 white balls. Okay. Or you can choose, okay, and the only ways are these 3 ways. Again, if you choose 5 red ball, there is only 1 white ball. That is not possible because in how many ways 6 balls can be selected so that there are at least 2 balls of each color. At least 2 balls of each color. Okay. So here 2 white balls and 4 red balls. So at least 2 balls of each color. Okay. Therefore, the total number of ways. Therefore, the total number of ways is here. It is here. In the first case, we have chosen by 5C2 into 6C4. Here also 5C3 into 6C3. Here it is 5C4 into 6C2. So the total number of ways equals 5C2 into 6C4 plus 5C3 into 6C3 plus 5C4 into 6C2. That is equal to 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. 6C4 is same as 6C2 plus 5C1 is 5. 5C3 is 5C2. So that is 5 into 4 is 4 by 1 into 2. 6 into 5 into 4. 6C3. That is 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. What is 5C4? 5C4 is again 5C1. So 5 into 6C2 is 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. So total 425. Total is 425. Okay.